Sometimes the ESOP capital raising process is just too successful. One example is Pressure Foods' recent capital raising on the ESOP platform, which was oversubscribed by nearly $1 million. So what happened to the extra $1 million? Well, we'll get to that later. But let's take a look at Pressure Foods' very successful journey through the ESOP capital raising process. Firstly, a preview page was created so that early birds could register on the ESOP platform. These early birds often come from friends of the founder and fans of the business. Next, Pressure Food was featured in ESOP's May e-News as an upcoming ESOP listing. On the 7th of July, the offer document was finalised and loaded up to the Pressure Food issuer page on the ESOP platform. 6 weeks later, $200,000 had been raised. The offer went live on the ESOP platform on the 18th of August. The live date was planned to coincide with ESOP's August e-News, with Pressure Food profiled as just listed. Investor meetings were held in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane in early September, so prospective investors could see, taste, touch and smell the Pressure Food products and hear about the company and its plans. Round 1's target of $250,000 filled on the 16th of September. Next, Pressure Food was featured in ESOP's September e-News to recognise the international award they won. Round 2's target of $250,000 was filled on the 8th of October. 10 days after Round 2 closed, $1 million more had been raised and Round 3 was more than full. Extra funding was also accepted from sophisticated and overseas investors. Shares are only available now through ESOP's secondary sales platform, which will provide an exit for investors if need be. And the extra funds? They had to be sent back because in Australia there are very strict laws that govern small-scale offerings. Only 20 normal investors a year can invest. The moral of the story is that early bird catches the worm. Check out the links for the early bird listings in the ESOP e-News. If you don't receive the ESOP e-News, sign up for it at esop.com.au. You must be a registered subscriber to enter the site. Thanks for watching and happy investing.